Imagine trying to read a single page of a book, just one page, but after only a few seconds, your hand reaches for your phone without you even realizing it. A notification, a short video, a quick scroll, 10 minutes disappear, then 20. And suddenly, you can't even remember what you were trying to do in the first place. If this happens to you almost every day, you're not lazy, you're not weak, and you're definitely not alone. Something much bigger is happening inside your brain. Over the last decade, the average person's attention span has been shrinking. Every swipe, every notification, and every endless feed is training your brain to expect constant stimulation. Your brain starts craving novelty instead of depth. Instead of enjoying one meaningful task, it begins searching for the next tiny burst of excitement. This happens because your brain rewards new experiences with chemicals that make you feel good for a moment. The problem is that your brain slowly adapts. The more stimulation it gets, the harder it becomes to enjoy normal activities like reading, studying, working, or even having a conversation. That's why 5 minutes of homework can feel exhausting, while watching random videos for an hour feels effortless. Your brain isn't broken, it's simply adapting to the environment you've been giving it. And here's the scary part. The companies behind the apps you use every day spend billions of dollars designing their platforms to keep your attention for as long as possible. Every color, every sound, every recommendation, and every endless scroll is carefully designed to make you stay just a little longer because your attention has become one of the most valuable resources in the world. The longer they keep you watching, the more money they make. Meanwhile, your ability to focus keeps getting weaker. But here's the good news. Your brain is incredibly adaptable. The same brain that learned distraction can also relearn focus. The process starts with something surprisingly simple. Spend just 30 minutes every day doing one activity without switching to anything else. No checking your phone, no notifications, no multitasking. At first it will feel uncomfortable. Your brain will beg for something more exciting. That feeling is completely normal. It's a sign that your attention system is rebuilding itself. Week after week, you'll notice something changing. Reading becomes easier, thinking becomes clearer, learning becomes faster, conversations become more meaningful, and most importantly, you'll regain control over your own mind instead of letting algorithms control it for you. Your focus is like a muscle. Ignore it, and it becomes weaker. Train it consistently, and it becomes one of your greatest superpowers. The question isn't whether your brain can focus again. It absolutely can. The real question is, will you train it, or will you keep giving it away one scroll L at a time?